From the main dashboard, go to the Fees section in the left-hand menu. Click on Manage Fees Paid. On the Manage Fees Paid page, you will see a list of fees. Use the drop-down menus to filter the list. In the Status drop-down, select Unpaid. Click the Get List button to load the list of students with outstanding fees. A list of students with unpaid fees for the selected class and fee type will appear. Find the student you want to process the payment for. Click on the Pay button next to the student's name. It looks like a $sign icon. A new pop-up window titled Pay Compulsory Fees will appear. The system will automatically populate the date, total amount, and the fee description. Select the payment mode, either cash or check. Click the Pay button to complete the transaction. A green notification will confirm data updated successfully. The page will refresh. To verify the payment, you can change the status filter from unpaid to paid and click Get List again. The student's name will now appear with a success status. At the end, you also view and print a fee receipt for the transaction, showing the student's details.